that's a good one. Oh, that's a good one. There's a good one. Ladies and gentlemen, as you guys can probably tell, we're already fishing. As per usual, my standard activity, I went to bed super late and got up super early, and I didn't feel like filming an intro, so I figured I'd just film one when it's lunchtime. So welcome back to the channel. We've already done some fishing. You guys will probably see that, or you guys are going to see that. This little grass mat behind me, I just went through and punched it all. Looking for more fish. It's lunchtime, halfway through the day. I'm a little bit low energy because I didn't get much sleep, but I'm having a great time. Love the freaking John boat. Love making videos. What more can you ask for? Sun's out and the buns are quite literally out. I'm gonna eat real quick and I'm gonna make another run, fish some more, hopefully catch some more fish. And if you guys enjoy the video, hit the like button. And if you enjoy me and you watch all the way to the end, hit the subscribe button. Really helps out the channel. And yeah, I'm gonna eat the sandwich. I kind of wish I had a Monster or some sort of energy drink, but the fish are keeping me awake. But yeah, anyways, I'm gonna stop blathering on. Let's get to the video. Oh, I came off. Felt like a weed. Had one on. Didn't even realize it. That was kind of the first one of the day. Doesn't really count. Sorry if it's hard to hear me. It's super windy, but yeah, I didn't even realize he was on. I thought I hit a weed. He was so small. There's a good one. Oh, striper. No wonder it hit so hard. I'm just banging up against the rocks. There's the first fish of the day. Nice striper on the crankbait. Let's get him back. That's another one. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, that's a good one. Holy. Oh, that's a good one. It's a good striper right there. Oh yeah, that's a fatty. Heck yeah. Banging up against the rocks. It's kind of a pain to fight these guys. Heck yeah. There we go. There's a good one. Second fish of the day. Fat striper. Look at the belly on him. He's fat. Nice guy. Let's get him back. There we go. Another striper. There's a better one. Nice. There is the third striper of the day. I felt him bite like a couple of times, and I kind of just slowed the crankbait down, and he nailed it. Heck yeah, let's get him back. All right, let's keep it going. Dinker. Dinky guy. What a largemouth. Lost 2 this morning. Making up for it. Ooh, he's got red eyes. That's cool. Getting back. Oink. Tiny guy. Seems to be the trend of the day. Little guys. Oh well, better than nothing. Whoop.